Actually had for about 3 years. So as you can see, and I have written repeatedly to or OpenAI. I have mentioned it on my LinkedIn account, and I just cannot get these folks to, on any level, allow me to change my personal info. So it's still having the old email from my my old email address. It's got my old phone number in there. Now here's the thing that I find that's very interesting. When I go into the data control, well, before we go into the data controls, I want to show my customization. So one of the things that with the personalization, the custom instructions is what I really refined in working with the same model for the last 2-3 years, was so that I can actually do the custom instructions. In this particular instance, my custom instructions have been erased. They have been removed, so I'm assuming that's because somebody has already absorbed and memorized everything they think they need to know about who I am as a person. And so, again, this MissCourtneyJones.com, the old phone number. Now, keep in mind that I have not had this phone number. This is I've changed my number twice since this number, and still cannot get them to change it. Like, it's literally been since about 2 months ago. Again, so when we get to data controls, so when you look at my view archived chats, there is nothing there. So those have been taken and apparently are using to train models. My chat history is gone. Now the export data I was not able to do because it's going to send it to that email that I cannot access. So I did not have a recourse whatsoever to get my content. Then when I tried to go and do because so you'll see in security as well, I didn't put the multi-factor authentication on, which I probably should have. But the biggest problem though is that I'm just not able to do anything with this account. So unfortunately, I tried to start up another one with my current email address, and they literally tried to block me from even doing it. So as you can see, like, I've been in here for a long time. I think that let's see here, and this is actually, ignore the train back there. This is actually the second time, because I've actually wiped all the chats and sent them. This was after my Notion account was breached back last September. So I've actually wiped my chats twice once Notion got in there. But again, it's like I am kind of at a loss because my entire account has been commandeered and I can't do anything. I can't even